Howdy y'all, and welcome back to another product review from Longhorn Tactical. My name is Michaela, and today we are going to go over the newest EDC light from Fenix, the E06R Pro. Building on the success of the original E06R, this upgraded model transforms the compact keychain light into a true 4-in-1 multifunctional tool. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get real-time notifications on all our new videos. We've got a lot to go over, so let's go ahead and dive on in. The E06R Pro is Fenix's first foray into the world of flat flashlights. It delivers up to 1600 lumens with a 175-yard throw, making it great for camping, hiking, on the job, or just late-night walks. You get 2 beam profiles, a spotlight for distance, and a floodlight for wide coverage. Beyond the white light, it also includes a UV light for inspection and a laser pointer for presentations or precise pointing. All of this fits into a slim 4.84-inch, 3.67-ounce body that slips easily into any pocket. Lightweight, flat, and practical, the E06R Pro feels more like a compact multi-tool than a traditional flashlight built for everyday use. The E06R Pro comes in 3 different colors, black, green, and orange, so you can choose whichever color you'd like. It comes with a charging cable to help you keep it charged and ready to go whenever you need it, and the included lanyard will let you bring it with you wherever you go. You can choose between 2 beam shapes, a cool white spotlight, which provides a focused and directional beam for long-range visibility, or a neutral white floodlight for lighting up a wider area and close-up tasks. The E06R Pro gives you 5 brightness levels in each beam profile. The turbo mode combines both the spotlight and floodlight to deliver a blinding burst of light, while the strobe is ideal for emergency signaling or quick self-defense situations. The turbo mode is going to max out at 1600 lumens with a 175-yard throw. The Spotlight mode features a high mode, which will have a maximum output of 1000 lumens with a 167-yard throw. Medium will have a maximum output of 350 lumens with a 98-yard throw. Low will have a maximum output of 150 lumens with a 67-yard throw. Eco will have a maximum output of 30 lumens with a 28-yard throw, and the Moonlight will have a maximum output of 5 lumens with a 12-yard throw. The Floodlight mode High will have a maximum output of 750 lumens with a 66-yard throw. Medium will have a maximum output of 350 lumens with a 43-yard throw. Low will have a maximum output of 150 lumens with a 28-yard throw. Eco will have a maximum output of 30 lumens with a 12-yard throw. And finally, Moonlight has a maximum output of 5 lumens with a 5-yard throw. The strobe is going to flash at 1600 lumens and will alternate between a quick flash and a slower one. The UV light has so many practical uses. You can use it to check for cleanliness in hotel rooms, detecting pet urine, seek leaks in HVAC, or authenticating currency. The red laser pointer can help presentation, pointing out points of interest, signaling at a distance, or even just playing with your pet. This red laser will cut through the darkness with ease. The breathing light includes fun color options like red flash, red-blue flash, full RGB, and the new Aurora cycle. They work great as a small tracking beacon on a hike, or simply as a stylish ambient light when you want to set the mood. Fenix also added a new Aurora breathing mode, which smoothly cycles through the RGB spectrum, along with 2 taillights to give the E06R Pro an extra pop of color. These effects aren't meant for illumination, they're more for visibility or ambiance. At a first glance, the 5-button interface of the E06R Pro might be a little intimidating, but it's actually really simple to use. Those familiar with the original E06R will feel right at home. No complex sequences or confusing clicks to remember. Fenix gives you both a tail switch and a side switch, so you can operate the light comfortably in either an overhand or underhand grip. The side switch cycles through brightness levels, while holding it for 1.5 seconds will activate the strobe, and a quick double press brings up the multicolor breathing light. The tail switch is your shortcut to power. Hold it for about 2 seconds to activate turbo mode, and the best part is you don't have to keep holding it down. Just press, activate turbo, and you're ready to go. Right below the side switch is the oval mode selector, which lets you instantly switch between the spotlight and the floodlight beam profiles. Both the UV light and red laser have its own dedicated switch. You can activate it instantly, no cycling, no mistakes. The E06R Pro also includes a handy lockout mode to prevent accidental activation in your pocket or bag. Just press the UV button and red laser button together. The breathing light will flash twice to confirm the lockout. Charging is just as simple. Plug the included USB-C cable into the port on the opposite side of the UV and laser buttons. The center ring doubles as your battery indicator, showing you exactly how much charge you have left. The E06R Pro keeps its easy-to-grip design from the original E06R, but improves upon it with its longer body and added ribbing for better traction. Even with the extended shape, it remains compact and lightweight, measuring 4.84 inches by 1.22 inches by 0.75 inches and weighing just 3.67 ounces, a comfortable everyday carry size. The pocket clip gives you multiple carry options. You can use it like a traditional pocket clip or thread the included lanyard through the built-in attachment point for an alternative setup. For its size, the E06R Pro is impressively tough with an IP66 waterproof rating. It's built to handle everything from heavy rain to dusty, dry environments. It also features a 1 meter drop resistance, so if it slips out of your pocket or bag, it's more than capable of taking the hit and keep on working. Personally, I'm a big fan of the E06R Pro. The original E06R already had plenty of features I found useful, but this upgrade really takes it to the next level. It's a great size, large enough that I won't lose it, but still compact and easy to carry every day. I'll admit, I was a little skeptical about its 5-button design. It doesn't exactly scream intuitive, but after using it, I actually prefer having a dedicated button for each function instead of relying on complicated multi-click sequences. It ends up being much faster and way less frustrating to use. The bonus features are genuinely helpful too. As a pet owner, the built-in UV light is perfect for spotting the occasional accident. And the laser pointer? I didn't realize how useful it was until I found myself at Home Depot trying to point out an item on the highest shelf. My fingers definitely don't reach that far. Overall, it's a surprisingly capable little light that checks almost all my boxes. And the fact that it comes in 3 color options, that makes it even better. But that's just me. What are your thoughts on the E06R Pro? Your next EDC light, or does the original still fit your need? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the know, and we will see you next time.